Hey, welcome back to the channel. Please remember that while I did work as a dealership master technician for 17 years, I'm currently in no way affiliated with any automotive manufacturer. All opinions expressed are my own, and any and all trademarks are the property of their respective owners. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob battery on this 2024 Toyota Prius. Take a look at your key. On the back of it, there is a little tab here. So pull it towards you, and then you can pull the metal key out of there. Now turn it sideways, and there is a slot right here. Insert the end of the key into the slot, and then turn it, and that will open the case. So now you can see your batteries right there. Grab your key, get it under the battery, and turn it again to pull the battery out. Now grab your replacement battery and check for links below the video for where to get a replacement. Arrange the internals back inside, and then the plus side has to be facing up. So get it under the two hooks right there, and then press down on it to install it. Now take the key and reassemble it, place it on top, and then just clip it back together. And now take the metal key, clip it in, and there you go. Key fob battery replacement is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more Toyota Prius maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.